Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Awesome Club 2.0. So guys, this is the part 15 of our RHCSA version 10 series, and in today's part we will discuss managing groups. So there we'll see how we can manage group, what is group, how many types of group are there, and how we can add any user in a group. So these things we will cover in today's part. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and share it to your IT friends. And let's start without any delay. Let's go. So first thing is that what is group, right? So if we talk about group, what is the meaning of group? So in simple word, we can say group means what? Group is used to make a collection of user who can have same permission or access. So that means, like for example, in your organization, you have a HR department, account department, and IT department, and 10 user is related to HR department, and you have like you have the responsibility to create 10 user, and you have to assign the policy or the permission or the file access you need to assign. So first thing is that one by one you need to assign that. Second thing is that you can create a group and you can add all the user in that group, and then you can apply that permission or the policy on that group. So that will be applicable for all the users who are the member of that group. So that is called here group, collection of users in simple words. How many types of users are there? So in Linux, we have two types of user. First is primary and second one is secondary group, right? Secondary, or we can say it is also known as supplementary group. So we have two types of group. Primary means what? Primary group which is created along with user, and this is default option in Linux, right? In last part also we discussed the same. In Linux, when you will create any user, so along with that one group will also create, and that will be the primary group of that user, right? The name will be same, right? With the same name which you will like assign for the user, the same name will assign for primary group also, and the same GID will be also there, right? If you have not manipulated there, if you will like manipulate, you have assigned the like same UID, same GID somewhere else, or for the secondary group. So in that case, that will be different. Otherwise, GID will also same, right? The second one is secondary group. Secondary group means what? Apart from primary group, if we add user in any group, that is known as secondary group or supplementary group, right? As we discuss, like if you have any like department and there 10 users are related to that department, and you want to assign the policy, then you can add that user in secondary group. So that is called a supplementary or secondary group, right? Now in Linux, if you want to manage your group, so we have mainly three commands: groupadd, groupmod, and groupdel. Let's see how we can run those commands. So first one is, if you want to create a group, so for that we have command groupadd, right? Normally, if you want to create, you need to give here, or before that, let me show you one thing. Here we have a group file where you can like find the available group or the group information. That is here under etc directory. File name is group, right? In this group file, if you will see, here we have the group information. So here total 4 fields we have, right? For HR, if I'll show you, was here we have users also added here. So that's why. First field is for group name. So group name is HR. Second thing is group password, that is mask password. So for that we have a differ file, that is G shadow file, where the password information. We'll discuss in next part where we will cover the password part. But for now, that is mask password. Third field is GID, group ID. And the last field, fourth field, is for members of that group. So these three users are the member of this HR group, right? So this is how we can read this file. Now let me create one more group. So for that I will use group add command. Group add space, and I'm creating here account. Enter. It's created. Let's check. So account is created with 5006. Right? If you want to create any group with specific GID, right? So for that we can use group add space a hyphen G space. Suppose I want to assign 6000 GID and I want to create account and sales. This one. It's created. If I check 6000 GID is assigned there. Right? After it, because here only four fields we have. So that's why here you can like create the group and you can change the GID. That's fine. If I want to modify the existing group, so for that we have command group mode, right? Using group mode, suppose I want to change the GID. So hyphen G and GID is 6000. So I want to change to 5010 for sales. It's changed. If I check here you can see 5010. If I want to change the group name, so for that I will use group mode space hyphen n, then new name. So new name, production, and old name is sales. Then etc group. So here you can see production name is changed. Right. So this is how we can modify it. Then how we can delete the group. So to delete group, groupdel and group name production I have deleted. So here you can see it's deleted. Right. So this is how we can use group add, group mode, group tag. After it, now one more thing, and that is too important, how we can add user in the group. Right. So one thing is that using user mode command, which we discussed in last part also, we can add any user in a group. Like suppose I want to add user 9 in account group. So I'll use user mode command, then hyphen G and group name is account, username is user9. And now if I check here, then that user9 is added in account group. So user mode command you can use, first thing. Second thing is here, if I want to like add multiple, like if I want to add a user in multiple group, so for that I can use this user mode command hyphen G like this, and here you can use comma. Right, comma means I want that hyphen G, that's fine. And suppose this user 9 I want to add in user 1 group. Here also we have the user 1 group, user 2 group, user 5 group, and space, and this is user 9. This is the username in last. So here you can see in all those groups we have user 9 that I have added with a single command. Right, so that also you can do. To add user in a group, we have one more command, that is gpasswd. Right, using gpasswd also. If you want to add single user, we can use hyphen a option and then username. So I want to add user 5 in account. Right, it's added. Here if I check, user 5 is added in account. If you want to add multiple user, so we can use gpasswd hyphen capital M and then username. So I want to add, suppose we have awesome user also. I'm using awesome user. Awesome user, user 2, user 9, or let me use 12. That I want to add in a group, and that group is user, not user, awesome. Right, let me use awesome. User 2 does not exist. Okay, no issue. So user 9 and user, that's fine. And now if I check, so here you can see, I did. Okay, in last I have like given awesome now, so that's why. In awesome, that's added. So this is how we can use gpasswd also. One more thing, if you want to remove user from group, so we can use gpasswd -d command and your username, user file. I want to remove from account. That is remove, and here you will see from account that is removed. Right. So this is how we can manage group. Right. So I think that's clear for everyone. If you have any doubt, so you can write in comments, and definitely I will cover in next part, or I will answer in your comment. Right. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet in next video. Let's go.